This is what sharp really looks like under a microscope, and why two sharp knives can cut completely different. This is the Kaiser Topsil, starting with the side view of the edge bevel. Notice how uniform everything looks. The scratch pattern is tight, controlled, and very consistent. That tells us the steel was refined evenly across the bevel. Nothing chaotic is happening here. Now we rotate to the vertical view of the apex, the actual cutting edge. See how big that line is? No big teeth, just a smooth, continuous apex designed to slice cleanly with minimal resistance. Now, let's switch to the Cubi Heros. Same magnification, completely different personality. Here's the side view of the bevel. Immediately, you can see deeper scratches. This edge wasn't polished, it was built with intention. Those grooves create structure, and structure creates bite. Now looking straight down at the apex. Notice the tiny peaks and valleys. That's not damage. Those are microscopic serrations. Instead of sliding through material, the edge wants to grab and cut. So here's the takeaway. The Kaiser edge is refined and smooth, optimized for clean slicing. The Cubi edge is coarse and aggressive, optimized for working cuts and fibrous material. Under a microscope, smoother doesn't mean sharper, it just means different. And this is why two knives can both be razor sharp, but feel completely different.